I mean, that's why I'm here. I want to learn about my family, my heritage, my ancestors.
Filmmaker Spike Lee came to me, hoping to uncover the stories of his enslaved ancestors. Our search took us to the archives of Wilkes County, Georgia, looking for traces of Spike's third great-grandfather, a man named Richard Wellborn. We found Richard in the will of a white farmer named Abner Wellborn, listed by name as a piece of property, alongside the names of his mother and his siblings.
We have this day proceed to make said division. To Miss Martha Wilburn, we've allotted and assigned Negroes, Harriet and 5 children, Murders, Richard, Paulina, Martha, George, valued. Let me see. 5 children valued at $1,600.
There's your great-great-grandfather, Richard, alongside his 4 siblings and their mother. You just met your great-great-great-grandmother, Harriet. And that's your family listed together as property in the estate of that white man.
Human beings, property.
Human being as property. After Abner's death, they were inherited by his daughter, Martha Wellborn. From like an heirloom, man. Oh, you get the piano.
Or an old coat.
Yeah. In 1847, 3 years after that record, Martha Wellborn married a man named Lodowick Meriwether Hill, who was a prominent plantation
I don't like
owner.
him already, that name.
Please turn the page. That is the main house at Lodowick Meriwether Hills Plantation in Wilkes County, Georgia.
Ooh, Lord.
Your ancestors saw that house every day of their lives. That was the big house. Spike, he owned 7,000 acres of land.
7,000?
7,000.
Is all cotton?
Produced a variety of crops, including cotton. Because cotton was money.
High cotton.
Did you ever imagine you'd see a picture of the big house on a plantation where your family was enslaved?
Nunca. Never.
Lodowick Hill was a significant figure in his day, a wealthy farmer and businessman who left a substantial legacy behind. Combing through it, we were not only able to give Spike a glimpse of his plantation, we were also able to show Spike his face.
Oh, man.
That is the man who owned your ancestors.
He looks evil.
Yeah. What's it like to see that? What are you feeling when you look at that?
That's an evil man. Slavery was evil. I mean, he just, I don't think this guy was capable of a smile.
We believe that Lodowick Hill held Spike's family in bondage for roughly 18 years. And that wasn't the end of their ordeal. When freedom finally came, white Southerners were determined to suppress the rights of the formerly enslaved. But Spike's great-great-grandfather was not a man to be intimidated. After the Civil War, he took a new name, Richard Pascal, and asserted his new rights.
State of Georgia, County of Wilkes, personally appeared on the 5th day of August, 1867. Richard Pascal, who makes oath as follows. I, Richard Pascal, do solemnly swear in the presence of Almighty God that I am a citizen of the state of Georgia and that I have resided in said state for 12 months and now reside in the County of Wilkes in said state. I will faithfully support the Constitution, obey the laws of the United States, and do the best of my ability to encourage others to do so. So help me God, Richard Pascal.
Your ancestor registered to vote. As soon as he could.
Heroic. I mean, he's doing something new. There could be some, be killed, family killed, burned off the land. You know, just he knew there was consequences of his action, but he had to do, I don't want to say do the right thing. I'm just saying that he had to do what he had to do. He knew it was just.
Yeah.
And he knew that. Had to do that for his children. Had to do that for generations. For me.
That's right.
My sisters, my sister and my siblings, this, somewhere down the line, I don't know how long it's gonna be, this is gonna make an impact.
That's right.
So he's looking forward.
Discovering our ancestors can change our lives, helping us to understand more fully who we are, where we came from, and how we're all connected to a much larger world. To see more incredible family history stories, click here. And thank you for watching.